Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Okay, so if you were with me on the weekend, you would have seen the opening of the enormous Diagon Alley box, and the box within the box actually had another box, a mystery box, a box that I did not know was in here, and I asked you guys, do you want me to open this on camera? And you overwhelmingly said yes. So, spoilers, sweetie, it is time. So, let's have a look at the box first. We got 21 Silencio, keep it between us. So, we're going to, just between me and all you guys who are watching this on YouTube. Oh, look, there's other languages on this side. Let's see. It all says the same thing in different languages. Onze kleine geheimnis, que cela reste entre nous. Don't keep it between us. But we're not going to because... we're not. We're just not going to. Or maybe we are. I'm just going to leave this box here now. Okay, so bye. See you later. Bye. No, I'm kidding. Of course we're going to open the dang box. Right. So the 21 is because there are 20 numbered bags in the build. So this is like bag 21. But let's see. Bags. It's a box. Box 21. Let's see what we've got. In here, a few black pieces. I can see pieces of Harry. I can see bits of Hagrid as well. And then I can see lots and lots of black. Oh, look at this. Welcome, Harry. Welcome, Harry, to Diagon Alley. To Diagon Alley. How does Hagrid even speak? Welcome, Harry, to Diagon Alley. Oh, this is our... that's really, really bad. But that is our big proclamation that goes... well, wherever it goes. So let's put that at the back because it's printed. Now, do we have... I can't find Hagrid's body. Hagrid's got to have his body... maybe his body's in one of the other bags because I haven't actually built all the rest of this build yet. I haven't opened all the bags. So let's put Harry together first. And then I'll go searching for Hagrid's body. So this looks like the right little pants for Harry. And he's got the same head as he has got in the set with the soot-covered face from when he went through with the flu powder to the wrong place. And so it's a different looking Harry to the previous one. But where on earth is Hagrid's body? Okay, so I just looked through all the bags and it wasn't in there. It was still in the box. This is why you should always check the box if you're missing pieces, like an enormous substantial piece like Hagrid's entire body. Oh, that was a bit of a... I can't believe I did that. I'm not doing so well. But let's put Hagrid together. Let's put his arms on. We'll put his head on. And this is the Hagrid that we've seen many times before in previous sets. And he's got his pink umbrella as well. And he's also got his Welcome Harry to Diagon Alley printed on a big backplate there, so we can't forget what he's actually supposed to be saying. So that's awesome. Awesome for Hagrid. Now, this is the other Harry that we've already put in the build. So just so you can see that there are now two different Harrys in this same box. That's pretty awesome. So let me find out what on earth we are building here. There is a substantial amount of black and, well, not a lot, but, you know, there aren't a lot of pieces, but the majority of the colours of the pieces in this part are black. Okay, I think I didn't muck that up. And these go on here, and we built a black wall, which we... oh, okay, so we tipped this on its side, and now it's a platform. Oh, this is such a lovely little surprise. I can see what we're doing now. It's a display for Harry and Hagrid, and we're going to be putting the printed Diagon Alley thing, well, the saying, Rubius Hagrid's saying, on the back of it on this little part here, which we're just building. So that goes on here. Need to seat that down properly. And that goes in here. That's awesome. And now we can put this on there. And we have got the most gorgeous, we've got one little extra piece. We've got most gorgeous display to go with the enormous Diagon Alley that we still have got to build. So there we go. That is our Silencio box. A Silencio box is a lovely surprise. Wasn't in any of the promotional material. I didn't even know it was going to fall out of the second box inside the big box. So that's cool. All right, so we are a quarter of the way through building Diagon Alley. There is more to be built, so you've got to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Now's the time, and I'm working on it, so I will be back with some more of the Diagon Alley build very soon. So I'll see you then. Silencio. Shh.